This dance is My Mother, My Teacher, My Friend. Choreographed by Ira Weisberg. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side rock, recover, across, hold. Side rock, recover, turning the quarter right, step forward, hold. Section 2, step, lock, step, hold, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Section 3, nightclub, side, hold, rock, back, recover, side, hold, behind, quarter turn right. Last section, make a quarter turn right, side, hold, rock, back, recover, side, behind, side, cross. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4. 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.